In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check Gmail login history. Fix today here. Let's begin. First, go to the Gmail website and make sure you're already logged into your account. Once you're inside your inbox, move to the top right corner and click your profile picture. From the drop-down menu, click Manage Your Google Account. This will open your Google account settings page in a new tab. On the left sidebar menu, click Security and Sign In. Scroll down until you find the Recent Security Activity section. In this section, click Review Security Activity. You'll now see a timeline of recent activity on your account. Scroll through the list to view recent sign-ins, device types, dates, and approximate locations. This helps you quickly identify any unusual access. Alternatively, you can check login activity directly from your Gmail inbox, return to your Gmail tab, and scroll all the way to the bottom of your email list. In the bottom right corner, click the Details link. A pop-up window titled Activity on this account will appear. Inside this window, you can review information such as the IP addresses, access types, and browser details that have recently accessed your Gmail account. You can try it now to monitor your account activity and make sure everything looks secure. If you found this useful, subscribe for more clear tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Congratulations!